Hey guys, Vivin here, and today I want to talk about VS Code agent mode. So GitHub Copilot has this agent mode which looks like this. So I don't even open the code anymore. Like 90% of my code is written by this Copilot thing. So this agent mode is new, and if you want to do something like in app/mobile, create a simple 404 page. So this is a simple prompt that I've given it, and it uses a reference of my Copilot instructions that I have. So these are some instructions that I always want the agent to follow. So it reads the instructions and it just creates the 404 file that I've asked for. So it knows what framework I'm using, what type of code patterns I follow, everything. So it just checks all the files that are needed for that. So it checks the layout, checks all the colors that are needed, and it creates a file. So I've tested all the models here, and Claude 4 is like the best for coding especially. So I use that all the time. But yeah, we have a new file over here. Can remove this, and I think this looks good. All the colors are from my thing, which is perfect. Yeah, this looks good. So go home or go back. I think only go home is safe. I'll have this. Okay, yeah, this looks good, and I can press on keep, and so this is now in my code. So we have created a new form of a page. Page not found, the page doesn't exist or be moved. So yeah, it's simple like this. You can create pages like this for your own app. So it's very easy to code. Once you have set up all your code, it's even easier. And in a new folder, this can also set up your code if you want. So try it out. It's mostly free for like free users, but yeah, try it out. It's been like 6 days in this month, and I've already used like 75% of the premium request. But yeah, GPT 4.2 is okay model. It is fully free, so go on, try it out, and let me know how it goes. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.